Hello everybody, this is Keith from CryptoCoinMindSet. I hope you're doing well today, and as always, I'm here to help you get your mindset on crypto. So, I was supposed to be on a live stream on the Matrix Money podcast today, but unfortunately, I had a family emergency and had to be out. That podcast didn't happen at this point. But I wanted to make a video today because there was something I wanted to talk about. Now, since I woke up this morning, all the alerts and tracking I have going, I'm getting alerts with dumps on this coin, that coin, everything going down. Everything seems to be going down. And people are panicking like it's the end of days or something. It's like, good Lord, stop. Just stop panicking and take this for what it is. It is a buying opportunity. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. Okay, but I know I try to look for the why things are happening. So let's take a quick walk through the why things are happening. Now, I mentioned it in my live stream last week and briefly again yesterday, and then Friday on Crypto on the Rocks. Make sure if you don't join me for Crypto on the Rocks, you do this coming Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern, every Friday. And anyway, a lot of the selling pressure seems to be coming from around Grayscale. And yes, you know, Grayscale's conversion can't be an equal conversion. And again, I'll put a link to that live stream where I kind of break that down and explain that a little bit. Matter of fact, last week's Matrix Money podcast, I went into great detail with that as well. And I'll put links to both of those in the description. And beyond that, we found out yesterday that part of the selling from Grayscale is back to FTX and the whole Sam Bankman-Fried bullshit with the company selling off their shares of GBTC. So that's putting more than normal selling pressure on Bitcoin. And it obviously is adversely affecting the price. As I record this video, Bitcoin's down below 40K. Can it keep going down? I suppose potentially, but you want to know what? As quick as it's going down, it is being gobbled up. Not just by retail investors, but by these other Bitcoin ETF providers. Okay, and if you look, these other providers are literally just more and more and more, adding more to their coffers and their funds. And the unfortunate part is that the buying pressure still is not offsetting a lot of the selling pressure. So why so much selling pressure if it's just all around Grayscale, right? Well, it's not. If you go and look right now, a lot of miners are actually offloading Bitcoin. They're selling it in an attempt to build up their money, because why? The halving is coming in like 3 months as of the recording of this video. And guess what? They need to be prepared for that, right? They need to be able to buy new equipment. They need to be able to, you know, strengthen their infrastructure and be ready for what is likely to be a parabolic move in the price action after the halving event. Speaking of the halving event, I'm thinking about doing a live stream straight through the halving event. Tell me what you think about that in the comments below. I want to know, will you attend? I'm thinking that would be great, right? Sit there, talk Bitcoin, follow the blocks, and see what the actual reduction in the reward for Bitcoin mining goes down. Be there live while it happens. Just a thought. Let me know what you think. Anyway, so all this selling pressure is honestly overwhelming the buying pressure, as much as there is a lot of buying pressure for these ETF products. So, what does that mean for me and you? A phenomenal question. Listen, if you have not been around the cryptocurrency space for any length of time, I'm going to tell you that this is not an uncommon event. Price action like this in the cryptocurrency space is common. And because Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as a whole is the free market, people can do what they want with their coins. They want to hodl, they hodl. They want to sell, they sell. Either way, it should not affect you adversely. Matter of fact, you may want to consider additional dollar cost averaging. Again, not financial advice, not a financial advisor, old guy. But it makes sense to get the best buy-in price possible on any of the cryptocurrencies that you are looking to dollar cost average into. And especially in this case, Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin should be part of every portfolio. I'm sorry, it just should be. So, what am I doing? I'm going to continue dollar cost averaging. I'm going to take the the lower buy price as much as I can, and buy as much as I can. And if nothing else, to continue to be consistent with dollar cost averaging. Now, I tried to show you how to do that with as little as $25 per week during Crypto on the Rocks. So if you have not joined me for Crypto on the Rocks on Fridays, this Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern, bring whatever your favorite beverage is. Doesn't have to be alcohol. For me, it's probably going to be a beer this week. I'm kind of feeling, I don't know. We'll see. But, and come join me. Come on, live. I'll bring you on. We'll talk crypto. Whatever it is you want to discuss about the cryptocurrency space. Or just interact in the live chat if that's what you want to do. And we're going to talk crypto. And while that stream is live, you will have the opportunity to vote on what we're going to dollar cost average into for that week. So basically, you are helping to set this first half of 2024's crypto portfolio. So don't forget, join me this Friday, 7 p.m. Crypto on the Rocks. All right, so let's wrap this together. I know sometimes when the price action on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies starts to drop, it can be a little bit stressful. But you need to change your mindset on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency being a long-term investment option instead of just short price action, try and make a buck. If you think long-term and you continue to dollar cost average into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as you choose, again, not financial advice, not a financial advisor, old guy, but you decide that you're going to continue to dollar cost average, do that. Make sure that you don't leave it on exchanges, whether it's a DeFi exchange you're utilizing or a centralized exchange. Doesn't matter. Get your money off the exchanges and into your own wallet. And if you're going to be holding for the long term, make sure you're using a hardware wallet. Again, you know I like Tangem. Again, link to get Tangem in the description of this video. If you use that link, you will get the best price available at the time you try to purchase, and you will save 10% on your order. 10%. That's huge. Tangem's already inexpensive and works phenomenally. But why not save an extra 10%, right? If you want to know more about Tangem, I have an entire playlist that you can watch from the beginning to the most current Tangem related video. I'm going to put a link to that playlist in the description of this live stream and up in the corner of this video. Finally, whether you're new to this cryptocurrency investing thing or, you've been around the block a little bit just like me, but want more information, head on over to this playlist right here. In that playlist, you're going to have a lot of different investing information when it comes to cryptocurrency. I will be there to show you different aspects of cryptocurrency investing. So head on over to this playlist, and I will see you there.